my name is Alina.
This week in my Skoolie project, I removed the ceiling of the Skoolie by basically taking out a lot of screws and rivets, and everything I found told me that I should get an air hammer to do this. So I did, learned how to use an air hammer, air chisel, two-step process, super loud, expensive, was not nearly as easy as just using a titanium drill bit, which was really fast. I also got down all of the gross fiberglass insulation, which actually made me sick last week, and that's the most exciting part of this part of the process for me, is just getting all of the old moldy guts that you couldn't see and didn't even know were making you sick out. So overall, taking the walls and ceiling out was pretty easy. Just had to remove those rivets and then pull out the sheet metal, which basically I just used a crowbar for my hands, and you just had to kind of be careful handling it because there were some big pieces, but really, this was a pretty easy and satisfying part of the process because you could see the transformation really quickly. And it was really important to do as well. I know some people leave the ceilings and walls in because you can see, like in my photo, it looks pretty good. But once you pull it out, as you also saw in my video, you can see how gnarly everything really is and see where the rust is and see the insulation, which is 21 years old, so probably pretty moldy and making you sick. So, important part of the process and pretty satisfying. Don't forget that I'm an artist. I make macrame wall hangings with plant eyes, and I also am a painter, and I'm also a jeweler. So check out that on my website. And I'm also a yoga teacher. I do yoga nidra meditations, which you can find on my channel. And I'm also a dancer. So if you want to follow my movement practice, the best place to find me is Instagram. Thank you so much.